In this particular research, I wanted to focus more on the terminology of muscle loss as opposed to sarcopenia, although secondary sarcopenia can be classified as that as well in a majority of individuals experiencing muscle loss. So without further ado, let's get right into the research. We're going to focus a lot on HMB more than anything else, but as well a little bit of vitamin D, omega-3 fatty acids, whey protein, as well as very important physical activity to make this all come together. So without further ado, let's get right into the research as follows. An overview of sarcopenia focusing on nutritional treatment approaches. Sarcopenia can be classified into primary and secondary sarcopenia. The former is related to aging, begins after the fourth decade of life. After that, there is muscle loss around 8% per decade until the age of 70, which subsequently increases to 15% per decade. On the other hand, secondary sarcopenia can affect all individuals and may result from various factors, including physical inactivity, malnutrition, endocrine disorders, neurodegenerative diseases, inflammation, and cachexia. Understanding the multiple mechanisms involved in this onset and progression of sarcopenia allows for us to develop strategies that can prevent, treat, or at least mitigate muscle loss caused by increased protein breakdown. Again, I want to focus more on the supplements than actually the physical activity itself, although that is equally as important. To proceed, HMB, the star here, the true star here. Beta-hydroxy beta-methylbutyrate is a molecule derived from metabolism of leucine, which is able to stimulate muscle protein synthesis and suppress muscle protein breakdown. However, only about 5% of leucine is converted into HMB, which makes the natural levels of HMB quite low after the ingestion of leucine. The recommended dose of HMB to stimulate muscle anabolism is 3 grams per day, so 60 grams of leucine are necessary to obtain the required amount of HMB. So a lot of people are going to supplement directly with HMB. To proceed, HMB